Today we're going to be covering blockchain technology and infrastructure company that's building a diversified ecosystem around utility-driven assets. The utility on this project is insane. I haven't seen anything like this so far, and if you want to learn more about this, well then let's not waste any more of your time and jump straight into it. So today we're going to be covering Dynamite Blockchain Investor Center. So what is this project all about? So if we go over to the main page, as you can see right here, it's a utility focused blockchain company. And I like this project a lot because it's something that's unique. It's something that stands out in the space, and you'll see why in just a second. But basically a quick introduction on what Dynamite is all about. Well, Dynamite Blockchain is the public market gateway to utility-driven digital assets. Guided by Caspa's principles, we acquire scarce, revenue-focused utility coins, tokens, and then integrate them into our unique and proprietary ecosystem for refueling their utility. So you can see their strategy right here, and we will be taking a look at that right now. But basically you get the point. Dynamite strategy centers on utility tokens, which are digital assets that are actively used in networks for payments, access, incentives, and decentralized applications rather than being held only for speculation. So this is what is so interesting about this, and their strategic holdings are as follows. Dynamite strategy is to build shareholder value by securing strategic positions in coins and tokens with strong real-world utility and significant growth potential. Each holding is acquired only after passing a rigorous selection process that evaluates not only its alignment with their core principles, but also its compatibility with their proprietary blockchain ecosystem. The disciplined approach enables them to assemble a focused portfolio of utility-centric digital assets poised for exponential upside based on their projected utility milestone. Dynamite blockchain ecosystem is built on three synergistic divisions: holdings, products, and services. The holdings division forms the foundation, focused on acquiring scarce, high-utility tokens with real-world adoption potential. These digital assets anchor the company's value and position Dynamite at the center of blockchain's most promising growth segment. Products and services division build on that foundation, developing and acquiring technologies designed to drive real utility into Dynamite's digital asset holdings. Every product or service added to the ecosystem is engineered to expand token use, amplify adoption, and unlock new revenue channels. Together, these divisions form a vertically integrated ecosystem working in strategic harmony to form self-enforcing wheel with the primary purpose of creating explosive net asset value NAV growth for shareholders. So how this network wheel works? Well, basically tokens drive products, products drive usage, usage drives demand, and demand increases treasury value. This loop is what Dynamite aims to activate across its ecosystem, key tokens in Dynamite's treasury. So from this you can already understand what do they mean by that. But one interesting thing you have probably asked by watching this video by now is, what holdings are they talking about? Now they do have a separate section exploring their holdings. So as you can see right here, we can see the different holdings that they have acquired. First one being Caspa, second one being Mott, then Cassia, and then MPWR. Now the most interesting thing about this ecosystem is it mostly focuses on Caspa because it views it as the most highest and underappreciated asset from their holdings. And by clicking on it, we can see the full broken down strategy on why they believe in Caspa and how it integrates into their whole ecosystem. So Caspa is a proof of work blockchain with a unique block architecture that supports high throughput and fast confirmations. Dynamite was originally built around Caspa due to its strong fundamentals and decentralized distribution. While the company has diversified, Caspa remains a key foundational token in its portfolio, again, as I mentioned right here. So again, high throughput, block architecture, and as you can see, we can see all of the core values, which leads Dynamite to believing that it's the most important token in their ecosystem right now, because of course it was originally built on Caspa. The Caspa Edge. Caspa offers a blend of speed, scalability, security, decentralization, and scarcity, making it an attractive option for Dynamite blockchain to build an ecosystem around it. They believe Caspa will be one of the premier digital assets to benefit from global digital asset adoption. So again, if we go over to their holdings,